Lion, legacy, impact, ownership, and nobility. L is our legacy of resilience, ang atong kalikon sa pagtuo. In the wild, a lion's life is defined by his endurance. They survive the harshest droughts and the longest hunts. Fellow graduates, let us look back at our journey. Think of our dry seasons, of our overwhelming class requirements, our grueling researches, the sleepless nights spent balancing our work, our studies, and taking care of our families, and the moments we almost gave up. I, for one, is among those who almost gave up. In fact, I started my graduate school studies in 2013, more than a decade ago. But the paradigm shift started in 2023 when I had a meeting with two of our mentors in the graduate school, our VPAA, Dr. Mark de la Serna and Dr. Felix Chavez Jr. When they reminded me in an intimate conversation that, Kenny, everyone has their own timeline. We face different realities, navigate unique challenges, and honor different priorities. Through it all, we continue to grow and thrive. That is our legacy, ang atong kalikon sa pagtuo. We stayed resilient even when we were getting sick already, when our laptops are already crashing, even our printers almost surrendered in printing our multiple versions of our thesis. Hi, Ma'am Russell. We proved that as CMCN graduate do not just have high caffeine levels because of drinking a lot of coffee. We may have exhausted a lot of haplas and ointments already and inhalers, and even explored different financial support in London. Karelate pang madami. But our resilience is much even higher. CMCians are indeed malikon.